Uploading full Premier League match videos to YouTube can lead to copyright strikes and demonetization. Accumulating too many strikes can even result in your channel being shut down. Despite this, many channels manage to upload football highlights without facing copyright issues. So, how do they do it? In this video, I'll explain how you can avoid copyright claims and create football highlight videos for your channel without any trouble. Football match recordings are copyrighted, but fair use allows small portions to be used in videos or blogs. Broadcasters cannot claim copyright on content that falls under fair use. The challenge for YouTube creators is editing football highlights in a way that aligns with fair use guidelines. Let me walk you through the steps to edit your highlights properly. First, it's essential to know where to find football matches to download. Some websites provide free access to football clips, such as club websites like Chelsea, Arsenal, and Manchester United. Reddit, particularly the Football Highlights subreddit, is another great place to find full matches or highlights of recent games. Other free options include sites like Galataman, VK Videos, and YouTube. I personally use Footballhighlights, which has millions of football matches, but it doesn't offer a direct download option. However, there's a workaround. By using the Network tab in your browser, you can locate MP4 files and download them directly. Once you've downloaded the videos, the next step is editing them to create unique content that won't trigger YouTube's copyright system. The key to avoiding strikes lies in transforming the original footage and adding something new to it. Editing football highlights requires refining the clips to avoid detection. Here's where editing becomes critical. Start by creating a rough cut of the match. Go through the entire game and pick out moments that fit your video's theme. Once you identify the key highlights, trim the footage accordingly. At this stage, you'll have a sequence of clips that form the foundation of your video. Now, let's dive into refining your edit to avoid copyright flags. The first thing you need to do is visually transform the original broadcast. This can be done by changing the order of clips, trimming clip lengths, and cropping the video. By rearranging the sequence of clips, such as swapping the order of wide shots, close-ups, and replays, you create a new sequence that differs from the original broadcast. This small tweak helps in bypassing YouTube's Content ID system. The second step is trimming the clip lengths. Football videos typically show highlights in short bursts, and there's a reason for that. It reduces the chances of triggering copyright issues. To be safe, wide-angle shots can stay under 5 seconds, while close-up shots, such as celebrations or replays, should be kept under 3 seconds. Finally, cropping the video can further differentiate your content. By cutting out portions of the original footage, you reduce the chances of your video being flagged for copyright infringement. Once you've transformed the footage, you'll need to add your personal touch to the video. This is where creativity comes into play. YouTube's reused content policy requires that videos feature original elements to prevent them from being demonetized. To make your highlights stand out, consider adding text, commentary, or voiceover. For example, you can add details such as the score, player names, goal times, or even explain key moments or strategies. These small additions give your audience extra information and make the video more engaging. If commentary feels too time-consuming, consider using transcription tools and AI voice generators like ChatGPT and 11 Labs to create a voiceover. You can also add an intro to grab viewers' attention. For a quick intro, use exciting moments from the game, lower the opacity for a dramatic effect, and overlay text with team names and game details. Once you have your clips, intro, and voiceover, it's time to add finishing touches. Color adjustments, like tweaking the temperature, saturation, and contrast, can enhance the visuals. For audio, ensure the volume isn't too loud or quiet, and apply fade-in and fade-out effects to create a smooth, professional feel. Following these steps ensures that your football highlight videos are both visually appealing and compliant with YouTube's copyright rules. By creating unique content and adding your own spin to the highlights, you can build a successful football channel without risking copyright issues.